Hi friends, let me show you this new universal car phone holder that I received for reviewing purposes. It is a nice unit because you can put it in your car with 3 different accessories. Let me show you. You get all the different parts nicely packed. You get the, proof of purchase and the user manual, okay? With the different options to install it. Let me show you. This is the actual phone charging accessory. As you can see, it opens automatically when you push that accessories, and the bottom part you can adjust it to the desired height of your phone. Okay, let's suppose this is the phone we're going to use. You adjust it perfectly and the phone will stay there firmly. So if you are driving, if you go to a rough road, your phone will be strongly hold in this phone holder, okay? And whenever you need it, you just release it like that, okay? Well, that's the holding part. You can install it. First, you can install it in any air vent with this metal hook. As you can see, the hook goes out. You put it in the ventilation outlet, and then you fix it like this, so it won't move. It's not just like a suction accessory in the ventilation outlet. It really holds to the ventilation with this hook and it won't fall down. I will show you. And you just tighten this here so it won't move. If you want to change the direction of the phone, you just loosen this a little bit. You can move it around as you need it and tighten it again. So you will have the phone in any direction and orientation that you need, okay? And if you don't want to use an air ventilation, you get this mounting arm, okay? You put it the same way, you tighten it, and this unit will have more options to adjust it, like moving it around like this, then you tighten this one, or loosening this one and doing this, so a longer arm or a shorter arm, okay? And this part will hold to either the windshield directly with this hook, okay? You fix it to the windshield and then put this down so it will suction the windshield and it won't fall down. Look at how it creates this suction power. Or you can put it in any clean surface in the car, not only the windshield, but anywhere in the dashboard where there is a clean, straight surface. You can put also this and do the suction function also, and it will hold really strong. Okay, so let's try it in the car. So let me show you how you can use your phone holder in your car. First, you can put it straight to the windshield, okay? Remember, this is the lock, okay? As you can see, it holds perfectly, and you just have to put your phone here and lock it like that. You could have it opening this longer arm, and of course, you could change the orientation on this one, so the arm is up or down. Of course, you want to put it where it doesn't bother your driving, okay? This is just a demonstration of how to use it, okay? Perfect. Okay. Now, let me show you. You could use it in your dashboard if that's the place where it's better located, okay? Let me show you. Finding a straight surface, you can put it like this and hold it like that, okay? You want to also locate it where you can be safely driving, okay? Now, remember, you can lose the phone like that and put it again like this. The phone is perfectly in place, and again, you can move it around with the different options that you have, okay? And if for any reason the windshield or the dashboard is not an option for you, remember, you still can use the air vent accessory, okay? You will get this off, and we're going to use this one. That is so... We're going to use this one. That is so easy to use because you will hook it in the air vent, and with this metal hook, it won't come off, okay? Let me show you. Perfect. So as you can see, it's perfectly located in the air vent there. Let me show you. Okay, it's in the air vent. You lock it like this, it won't come off. Okay, the air vent, of course, will not be able to move a lot, but the phone holder will stay there really, really strong. This way, you can move it around wherever you need, like this. For me, this will be a perfect option. And again, you put your phone, you lock it like that, you use it, and when you arrive to your destination, you just press this, lose the lock, and take it with you, okay? So it's really easy to use. A lot of options to locate the phone, wherever your driving style and your driving regulation and everything, your driving safety allows it. And you will always have a really secure way to have your phone with you. Perfect. Thank you.